Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. On the other hand, no case is filed on bigger companies because they can afford to appoint a lawyer, appoint a representative, have a license with the registrar's office. A person who is having a company with rupees 5 lakhs or rupees 2 lakhs or rupees 10 lakhs of capital, a small factory or business does not have that much of resources to go and have a license with the registrar of companies. The result is that cases are filed against him, and where a fine of rupees 50 could have been sufficient for settlement, a fine of rupees 5000 is imposed. The same law is not applied to the public companies and government corporations. Once I was chairman of the Bihar Industrial Development Corporation. In that corporation, for the last 5 years, the balance sheet was not audited. I inquired why the registrar did not file a case against them. They said that it is headed by a managing director who is an IAS officer and no case can be filed against an IAS officer. He is big bureaucrat. He is much higher than the registrar of companies. That is why I suggest two or three things. Small people are actually being tortured and bigger ones go scot free. This is practically happening. So, for better growth of the companies, my suggestions are three in number. First, simplify the forms. Make a division of companies with a capital of rupees 20 lakhs and below, and the companies with the paid up capital of rupees 20 lakhs and above. In the case of companies below rupees 20 lakhs, share capital, burden and difficulties should be lesser. The forms should be simpler. In case of failure to submit forms or delay in the submission of their reports, there should be a fine only say of rupees 50 or rupees 500 but no prosecution. For bigger companies, you have whatever laws you have got today, make another category of the public undertakings, the government companies. Such companies should be treated on a different footing because 100% shares invested belong to the government. It is the people's money. It is managed officially. There is no personal interest involved. The delay is because of some administrative difficulties. So, keep such companies in a different category. Fourthly, in case you are not able to amend this, the only alternative is do not allow small companies to grow. Do not allow them any registration. If you allow them registration, you force them to follow these rules. And if they fail, you take them to the court for harassment.